In this video, I'm going to show you how to add some Google Maps to a community page. So in this instance, we have a community page with some great information. And down here, we have this section, Things to Do in Jasper. So I am going to add a map right underneath this that shows some things to do around Jasper. And I'm going to use a Google Map. So the first thing you do is go to maps.google.com. And then I'm going to type in things to do near Jasper, Indiana. And it actually pops up Indiana, so I'll go ahead and click on that. Now if you look at the map, it's going to go ahead and show things, and you're going to see all of them around here. I'm going to I'm going to click on these little lines right there, and I'm going to come down and click Share or Embed Map. And here's the map. So I'm going to go ahead and choose Large. And then I'm going to choose, actually I'm going to choose medium. And I'm going to copy the HTML. Just click it. And then I'm going to come back to my page, and now I'm going to go to the editor. So I've gone into Pages, found my page, and now I'm going to come down here. I'm under the text version of the page because this is where I'm going to put the code. So I'm looking in here, and I'm just going to look for the things to do. And let's see, things to do is right below visit. So I just saw visit. Here it is, things to do. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter right here, and I'm going to put the map code in here. Now I'm going to change one small thing about this. I'm going to change the width to 100%. And actually see an error. I want that all on one line. So, okay, so now I'm going to update the page. And now I'm going to come here and refresh. And now things to do in Jasper are right there. Now, if you had something like dining in Jasper, you could also add something like that. So let's say I want to create a new one here. And let's hit enter. Let's go back to our map. Let's change this to dining. And there you have a bunch of dining. And again, click the little 3 lines, choose share or embed. I'm going to click embed, copy HTML, come back to the page. And where did I put that? There it is. And we're good to go. Now I'll refresh it. Oh, and see, I didn't change it to 100%. So I got to go back now. Actually, it's right above here. And let's change the width 100%. Notice that I did put a % sign in there too. And then we will update it. And that's it. That's how you embed a map into a WordPress page.